Alright, I have the brand new X-S20 from Fuji here with the Tamron 70-70. Video about that soon, but I also got the SmallRig cage for this camera. Because of the bigger grip, the old cage doesn't fit. So let's install it. Quite easy. So of course, bottom screw here. And there's another screw on this side here. As you can see, after we remove those dangly loud strap holders, it's a pain to remove those, but you should. And you have this little screw on the side installed here. It goes in just like that and secures on the cage here. So there you go, there you have it. Now you can secure this. And there you have it. A nice solid cage, like always from SmallRig, good quality. Let's talk about a few of the features. Well, on the bottom you have an ARCA Swiss rail, so you could mount it on a tripod, and other accessories, I'll talk about that later. You have this little door, handle, whatever here to secure the battery compartment. By the way, I have the SmallRig third-party battery, works just fine, has an USB-C port for charging. Pretty nice. And you have a strap holder here. If you have like a strap mounted here, this is there. You have the tool, of course, and that's it. On the right side, you have a few mounting options here. You have a cold shoe on this side, normal straight. On the top, you have a few mounting options. I show a few in a minute, and a angled, slight angle cold shoe on this side for your Rode Wireless Go. Anyways, on this side, quite open, so you can access all the doors for the microphone, of course, here, and HDMI USB-C here, and you also can rotate your screen quite good. Sadly, this isn't NATO rail, so you cannot really access, this will not fit, so you have to install your own NATO rail thingy or just use a side handle like this one. This is small, lightweight and not too expensive, and you can mount this on this side, no issues. Alright, so let's mount a monitor. I have this mount here with airy locking pins. Those fit in here quite easy. Sadly, I didn't find any HDMI clamp securing thingy, so this secures the cable a bit, but not quite happy. Anyways, now I would install a Rode Wireless Go on this side here, just like that. That works. And with the mic here, this works fine. Now with the HDMI, it is a bit more tricky to rotate the display and with the side handle as well, but that's the downside of using something like that. So yeah, maybe a side handle like this with an arm like this works a bit better. Let's try it out. It's more expensive though. This nice little plastic thingy goes about 30 bucks or so. This is like 90. I mean, now you can't really secure the HDMI cable, but you can swivel your LCD. So this is the better solution if you ask me, getting a grip with this arm. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot, you have strap holders, camera strap holders right there. One on this side, which is a nice one, and the other one is a bit hidden. It is right there. But at least it is there and it works quite well, so that is nice. Also, you could try something like this. Yeah, there you go. This is, as usual, a good solid cage from SmallRig. Fits perfectly. Nice ergonomics, quite a few nice mounting options. and overall good to have to secure your camera, protect it a bit. And in terms of ergonomics, no buttons are hidden. You can reach all the buttons. Maybe this one on the left is a bit trickier, but not really. So all good. Everything is accessible. Everything works. So no issues that I can see right now. And yeah, works quite good. And the good thing about having ARCA Swiss here is you can put it straight on your gimbal with the ARCA Swiss plate. I also have a SmallRig plate which works a bit better. I have a video about that here, just like that. Don't have to slide it in, which doesn't work sometimes. You just have an angle and you open it up and put it right there, and there you go. This works just fine. And yeah. So there you go. This is a quick overview about the cage for the brand new and nice X-S20. I will test this camera. I did rent it for a few weeks so I can test it out if it works for my video workflow and for photos as well. But yeah, I wanted to try because I think this is a better option in terms of features and performance compared to the brand new Sony a6700. Anyways, let me know in the comments what you think, if you have the X-S20 and if you like it or what you don't like. Anyways, stay tuned. A few more videos in the next few days, weeks, and see you in the next one. Back to work.